Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ghaneva. Today, let's talk about affirmations. Affirmations are simply declaring that something is true. So we declare words to ourselves, ingrain them in our mind that it is true and they are going to manifest in our life. This is all that affirmations are about. Now, I have this app on my phone and I want to share it with you. Go and download this app. It will really help you in affirming words to yourself that is true and manifesting in your life. I have some of the screenshot I snapped for you to share with you guys. One says, in case no one told you today, you are brave, you are beautiful, you are loved. So whenever you are there enjoying your day, when you turn on your data on your phone, this app will send you a very powerful reminder. Affirming these words to you would improve your life. So download this app and it will do good things for you. I have another one here and it says that both good and bad things can happen throughout the day, but when you choose to focus on becomes your reality. I have another one here that says you are enough just as you are in this moment. Truly. I have another one that also they reminded me saying that it's okay not to be okay. Heal at your own pace. I also have another one here that says, remember, it's okay to reach out for help. We are all in this together. I have another one that also says, keep going, beautiful soul. You have so much to offer the world. I have another one that also says, take it one day at a time. Each step, no matter how small, is progress. I have another one that says, keep going, beautiful soul. You have so much to offer the world. Another one that says, hey, you are doing great. Keep it up. So this app will help you to remind you, affirm words to you each day that you are doing good things. And I have another one too. That's have it here. I saw it here. Yes, we have the 21 days challenge and I have the I am app. So you can choose to download them and it really helps you. I'm not in collaboration with all of the apps, but I'm just sharing it with you so that you know how to use affirmations in your life. Now, affirming things in your life will help you to achieve great things. It will help you to tell yourself, tell your mind that, hi, I can do this. And it helps you to also believe that you are already going to have it. Example, telling myself, I have everything I have and I am okay even the day goes wrong. So this already declared to me that even the days goes wrong, I have everything I have and I'm okay with it. So affirmations help to improve your life. If you're kind of person that you want to declare your life by faith and by power through God that strengthens us, you need to get these apps. I'm not in collaboration with them, but I'm just sharing with you so you guys can enjoy as well. If you want to know how to create affirmations, how affirmations work, the myths about affirmations, the science about affirmations, I have video on the channel. You can watch them and check them out. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please do want to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment as well. Let me know your thoughts on my videos. I've been creating videos each day. Let me know how you feel about my videos because I want to know how you feel as well. I care about how you feel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please stay focused and keep on affirming words that truly becomes who you are. I'll see you in the next video. Can never edge deep inside. Real success. Bye.